Okay, what is up guys, today we're back with another video. Chapter 4. So done this one I think, so okay, yeah. So let's go again. Just wait it up. This is gonna be like a 20-minute video because this is a really long one. Okay, let's go bop. I do not want to be kitty, so yeah. Okay, next page. Oh, next pages. Oh, carnival. Obviously carnival. Yep, let's go easy. Just because I can. I don't want to ruin. Okay, no. Hard? No. Nice. Okay, guys, so we're going to try our best to get this dub. I haven't played it, so let's check out what we can do. Last time I played this, they were AFK, so I don't really know if it's gonna be hard or easy. So you can read that, I guess. I don't know. Mr. P Puff, I'm going to take your place. Oh no, someone was captured and I need to help them. No, I like how I don't even know who captured. I'm just like, oh no, someone was captured. Oh geez, this is a long time. Oh, okay. Okay guys, my friend found the button, he said, when he played this. So gonna look for it and hope that I find it. So we really need to get this on, so I can do parkour to the red. No, I didn't think so. Sorry, wait, is it red or blue? I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna go looking around because I don't know where I'm meant to go. So, oh, gasoline tank. Guys, you have a cold, so yeah, ill, yeah. I've really got no idea at all where I am meant to go. Wait. Yes, found it. Let's go. Yes. Need this, it's really important. There's 3 blanks. Can't move. Okay, there. I'm thinking the plank's gonna be a little more important than anything else, really. So, you know. Walking up. I literally just woke up though, so, you know. Yes, I knew I need it. Let's go. Walking across, put it in. Now we just need another one of them, and we're all good. Because this machine like leads to somewhere that activates something. Can't remember exactly what it activates, but it activates something. You'll see where I'm going with this one, so I just done that. Oh, it activates the stuff inside the blue. I'm just trying to find out what blue stuff it activates. Because the blue one, black rod. Leads down from there. Oh no, there's 2 of them. Oh, there's 2 of them. So I actually didn't know there was 2 of them. What the? I forgot Katie was in this game. Okay, really sunny where I am right now. Oh shoot, I'm gonna get touched. I didn't even do anything really, you know. So I could go bang down the head. Hopefully there's some good team players. So guys, I'll see you when we are out of jail, I guess. See you then. And that server wasn't much help. So, on a different server, we're about to win. Player plus bot. Oh no, infection. Oh no, wait, what? Okay, so anyway, yeah, we're doing this. 1 minute. Okay, we're doing terribly. Well, they're doing terribly. Like, literally, they've got like nothing. They at least have to have got the pool open, right? No way, mate. Well, I call them pools from the car place, but you know. No way, dude. Yeah, okay, let's just go on a different server. Let's go on a new server because that server was like not doing that well, you know? Like, it's these servers who are like, wow, look at me, I'm so good. And they're not good. And then there's these servers who are just like, go give up, 0, still, leave, join a new one. Okay, this is gonna take a long time, guys. 247. Oh, great. Okay, guys. We're just gonna go into Kitty and we're gonna just do some party mode. Gonna have some fun in party mode, you know. What we got in party mode? Oh, nice, brand new map. Is it brand new? No, everyone's already started. This is brand new. Yeah, this is new. I haven't done this before. Can't. Oh, geez, that's hard to see. No shift lock either, so gotta try and deal with poop. Okay, guys, so we're gonna actually go try hard in this, so yeah. Yeah, we're gonna try. Oh, well, that was crazy. Why is it all brown like the floor? It's harder than I don't know what it's gonna be. The thing is, I'm not even joking when I say this. The other levels are gonna be easier than this level because you can't even see what you're jumping on. It's not like all this parkour, it's easy. If we were in a different floor or completed, like I'd probably be up to like there, guys, like there. So I don't know. This is so hard. Oh, come on, I just landed on it. Okay, I have to go try hard for this. Oh, we're gonna have to end the video soon. I don't want to end. I don't want it to be a quick video. I like being long videos. Only 5 minutes. Great. Perfecto. Everyone's at the bottom. Okay, that means I actually have a chance. I'm going really slowly because I need the win. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. This game is trash. This game is actually trash. Let me try that. /a skip. I know. /a skip. You dumb game. Skip. Can't use emo. That's not an emote. It's a command. Let me skip this trash game. Okay, let me just wipe the screen. It's really greasy and stuff for some reason. So, just gonna wipe the screen. Hopefully we can do better parkour. Yes. Okay, I like what I'm seeing. No, I don't actually like what I'm seeing. Currently. Okay, so it's gonna be hard. I normally zoom out a little, so I don't know what I'm gonna have to do. Okay, guys. This is hard. hard trash game. Just don't do this. It's just sad. Yeah, just don't. Like, no. Yeah, just don't. It's trash. You can't even get past the first level because it's literally trash. It's actually trash. I don't know what you get from winning. Probably nothing. That's the actual thing. That's why I don't know why I'm doing this. Probably just for content because I haven't uploaded for 4 days. Maybe even 5. Maybe even a week. I don't know. So I haven't uploaded, so. Doing this stuff. Oh, come on. This game's actually trash, guys. You see me rage in this video. You'll see me literally say this game is trash. Bless me. Oh my gosh, this game's actually the worst. Do not play this game, guys. Unless you want to rage and smash something, do not play this game. Okay. No, this game's actually so trash. Guys, don't play this unless you want to rage. Oh, Jesus Christ, bro. This is so trash. This game sucks. Sucks hard. Hopefully my little brother comes in. He will be able to cheer us up. And he's next door, so I probably will, but... Oh my gosh, I made it past that, guys. I am doing decent. For once. I can't make that jump, you know? I wasn't meant to do that. I know. Yeah, I wasn't. But I don't care, really. There's a minute left, so... Can't say that's not legal. Even if it's not legal. Red parts. Didn't even see them before. Okay, we're about to be in the blue stage, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, we are in the blue stage. Brown stage completed. Oh jeez. I need to zoom out, but I can't, so... Do all that. You think I wouldn't do that, John? Dude, if you didn't think I'd do that, you actually don't even know this channel. Go the long way. It's easier, so... Just don't friend me, bro. No, I think he just friended me because I'm actually doing good, though. That's what happens to people who do good in this game. Don't tell me I need to look it from the other side. No, bro. No, man. That's trash, guys. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching today's video. Hope you will really... Wait, let me just end the video now. You know, calm out. So guys, thank you. Have a restart. That's what I was doing. I thought it was kind of easy. Anyway, guys, hope you've all really enjoyed this video. And what are we gonna do it? Wait, where will we do it? Oh, wait, we're doing hide now. Can't look for the moves. Okay, I'm gonna try and get it if I can. Okay, I am. So, oh no. I'm gonna do like an extra 10 minutes, you know, 5 minutes, I know. Go cheese. Okay. Guys, let's see what I have in my inventory. Absolutely nothing good. Okay, so I'm T-posing. Why am I T-posing? I chose the hardest map to try and find. Okay, 7 minutes. You know what? We're doing it, bro. How did I kill them? Yeah. Did I kill them? Did I? I'm gonna go check. I might just camp. Where do they go? They die. Wait, where do they actually go, bro? Dude, where? Wait, even possible to get them wherever they are. Wait, what am I doing right now? I don't even. Oh, they're over there. Okay. Oh my gosh. They've already. Oh no, because there's no stuff in this game. You just have to get them anyway. Hey, bro. Come here, bro. Are you gonna you guys something? We'll go catch some color. It's two awkward chairs in the corner. I don't know, bro. I've got no idea right now. It's just confusing though. Look. Okay, I can still squeeze past. That's where the yellow key is. Oh my gosh. I've walked past that at least 100 times. Jeez, that's embarrassing. Guys. Someone's on here, I think. No. I see someone. Going. Oh, wait a second. This is open, isn't it? So I can just... Oh, no. Yeah, someone's probably going to be down here. I've nearly won before, but haven't won. So, you know. Okay, so nobody's been down here. What can I do then? I'm just gonna end the video here, guys. Like, they escaped. No, I didn't. Wait, what? I quit. Okay. Stay back. Don't scratch the fence, mate. You gonna get... Oh, there's someone there. Oh, jeez. Didn't even notice. I still got him though. So, you know. I'm good at this game. I'm decent at it. So, you know. Guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. So, guys, thank you for watching today's video. Hope you have all really enjoyed. And... goodbye. Okay, guys, leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. See you in the next one. Goodbye.